everyone. I just wanted to share a very personal story about me. I have never ever seen failure in my life, but CA taught me, it showed me what failure actually looks like. You might be thinking that right now I'm CA Isha Jaiswal. I would have cleared CA very smoothly, but the scenario is very different. I failed, like I gave multiple attempts in my intermediate level just because I kept failing in this one particular subject, which is ITSM. Inside me, I was completely shattered. But then that Isha, who was a very young Isha, she comes and inside me and she says me, you are that same girl, which I know, who wanted to become a CA from a very young age. And once I cleared CA, I still remember it was 23rd Jan 2019, like 6 years has passed from that day. And the day my result came, I was literally crying. I know those tears were tears of happiness. I can see that shine, that glory, that proudness on my parents' face. My wish was landing onto my dream job. Since my internship, or what CAs call their articleship of 3 years, was in a very small audit firm, I always wanted to be in a very great firm, like a very great audit firm, and I chose to be in KPMG, which is one of the big four. Initially I was very excited to take up tasks because the clients were MNCs, work culture was completely different, and you got to learn so many new things, new techniques of doing audit, doing work. But after some months, I started losing the spark for which I was so excited to be here. I joined my first company in April 2019, and in April 2020, COVID hit. And that's when I thought that, Isha, why not you experiment with content creation? You might be thinking that, Isha, how did you get so much time to create content even after being in a big four? My work used to get over by 11 p.m. And since I was working from home, I started creating content post that, making the content, making the script, shoot, edit, and obviously posting it in godly hours. The major setback came when we shifted from working from home to working from office. And obviously after long working hours, coming back from office after 11 p.m., having a little bit me time, I used to start creating content post that after some me time, because obviously to create content, you need some fresh perspective, fresh mindset. Usually I used to sleep by 3 o'clock in the morning, and I have to reach office by 9 a.m. 5 or 6 hours of sleep. My health was deteriorating because of this particular reason. So when I hit 50K over Instagram, I thought of taking a very big plunge in my life. I was with Tatas and I left my job and I started wholeheartedly creating content, like working till day and night. On this particular stage, I am standing with a community of 600K plus, and this is all because of that positive mindset.